All right, here it is. Hey everybody, Scrap and Salvage here. I'm gonna show you this 1962 Rambler Classic that I purchased. Bought it from the original owners. It had been in a garage, like a hoarding situation. That happened to be driving around. It was just sticking out the back of this garage. It was full of debris and stuff. Take you along as we kind of start cleaning this thing up. I want to get more into it. Pretty good condition. It's got some bumps and nicks in it. Needs kind of brakes and everything to go through it. Done a little work on it so far. Very happy to get it. I love wagons. I've had some Nova wagons and Falcon wagons in the past. I've never had a Rambler wagon before. The inside needs an interior seat, bench seat here. Straight six. Does not run. It sat in a garage for about 30 plus years. Last tags were in 73, I believe. The oil tab sticker on the side says the last change was around that time. I think it's got 89,000 original miles on it. Complete original paint. Love the color, rose copper. Anytime you can find something like that, in my opinion, you buy it. Hoping that this thing just can purr when we get it done. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.